So tonight we're staying at Southampton Airport Premier Inn. Quite a nice little hotel. You do have to pay for parking. That's fine. I think it's like £5 for one night. We'll give you a quick room tour of where we're staying tonight. So to come to the room, first room we go into is the bathroom. Yay! Again, your standard Premier Inn hotel bathroom. Got a bathtub, shower with a nice shower head, hair and body gel, some hand wash, sink, toilet, and a lovely mirror. And then as we skedaddle back this way, ignore the luggage, quite handy, it's actually managed to squeeze in where it has. But you've got a hairdryer and you've got some 2 plugs as well, and you've got a light switch for this little vanity mirror. Ta-da! I'd have been gutted if that wouldn't work all the way. You've also got a full-size kind of mirror here, and some storage, and behind the mirror you have your wardrobe. So you've got some hangers, an extra towel, and up here in this bag is some extra pillows which you can use. Obviously I think we've got 3 beds here, well 2 beds, queen size and a single, so we've got 3 pillows anyway. Extra pillows, lovely. And then the bed. So I'm just going to lay down, it's so much easier, we'll sit down anyway. So I think this is quite a new-ish hotel because you've got a plug on either side of the bed, which is really handy because I always sleep on the right-hand side of the bed and I never have a plug. That was quite annoying. So you've got a plug on either side of the bed, you've got an air conditioning unit, but you've also got bedside lights. Yay! Little bed over there if you're sleeping here with more than 2 people, a little family room. And then behind us here, table lights, some more plugs. There's loads of plugs in this room. USB charger and stuff to go with the TV, which is a nice big Samsung TV. You've got your kettle, your cups, your tea, your sugar and your milk, and some glasses as well. Our view isn't that great. We stayed on the other side before and I think it's just a Royal Mail kind of facility, but this side we have loads of white vans. So that's pretty much it. This is again Southampton Airport Premier Inn. Hope you enjoyed this little room tour. If you did, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button just down below, and we'll see you later.